Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about some mega developments taking place in Port Antonio. Now Port Antonio is on the eastern part of the island and it has hotels nothing on the level of Ocho Rios, Montego Bay or Negril. But one thing I've noticed about Port Antonio, it has the nicest beaches in Jamaica. Now, they aren't as long as a 7 Mile beach in Negril, but every time I go to Port Antonio, or Portland, I'm amazed at how nice the beaches are. So there's a lot of potential for tourism in Port Antonio. And with the opening of the Southern Coastal Highway going from Kingston, where you have the Norman Manley International Airport, to Port Antonio, it's a game changer for that region. Now we know about the highway being built and we know about the urban center, the Boundbrook Urban Center that's being built. They're also building a bypass for the town. But there are a lot more projects that are slated for Port Antonio, even as ambitious as building a high-end marina. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on these developments. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has unveiled an ambitious and transformative vision for Port Antonio, positioning the town as a premier high-value, low-density tourism destination. At the heart of this initiative is the construction of a new bypass, which Holness described as laying the foundation for a broader, long-term strategy to unlock the full potential of the town and parish. The goal is to enhance Port Antonio's historic charm while fostering modern amenities and economic opportunities through carefully guided development. The Prime Minister emphasized that this initiative aims to preserve the town's unique character as the birthplace of Caribbean tourism while creating a new standard for sustainable and upscale visitor experiences. Among the highlights of the proposed development is the construction of a cruise ship terminal along the eastern belt of the harbor. This addition is intended to accommodate boutique vessels that align with the town's low-impact tourism model. Complementing this will be the transformation of the Port Antonio Marina into a luxury yacht destination, further boosting the area's maritime appeal. The Folly lands have been earmarked for the development of high-end hotels and villas, offering visitors a refined and intimate experience. Additionally, the lands currently used for cricket will be converted into a multi-purpose sports and entertainment amphitheater, expanding the town's capacity to host large-scale events and community activities. A significant feature of the plan is a new pedestrian promenade that will connect the east and west harbors. This shoreline walkway will not only enhance accessibility but also encourage a vibrant and walkable town core. The initiative also includes the development of a waterfront public park similar to Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay, providing residents and visitors with green space for recreation and relaxation. The historic Musgrave Market will be redeveloped as part of the waterfront enhancement, transforming it into a cultural and commercial crown jewel that celebrates local artisans, cuisine, and heritage. Economic development is also central to the broader vision. The recently launched Boundbrook Urban Center will offer 148,000 square feet of purpose-built commercial space. It will house government offices including the Portland Municipal Corporation, as well as retail outlets, financial institutions, fast food establishments, a supermarket, and facilities for global services sector companies. Holness noted that the bypass is more than just a traffic solution, it is a catalyst for urban renewal. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. As I said earlier, a lot is happening in Port Antonio. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And as I was going through this article, something occurred to me. I think Port Antonio is getting more tourism development than Montego Bay. which is the #1 tourist destination in Jamaica by far. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.